Hey guys, I just want to apologize for not making a video for a few days. I've been really sick lately. Anyway, this video is gonna be about something in particular. So, if you look, we've been getting some feedback here, and I'll admit I haven't really gotten to much of it yet because, yeah, I've been sick. But um, I noticed two things here. First, they're kind of the same thing. Someone, Two people so far have had trouble with the keyboard layout. So like right here, USA keyboard layout, and then I think that the other one actually got deleted. Oh wait, no, there it is. Here it is. So here's the first one. Here's the second one, and I realized that I never really showed people how to use the calibrate keymap button. So let me show you something. Alright, so here we are in the game, and I'm gonna go and open up a script. So let me just add a local script or whatever, and we've got this calibrate keymap button right here. And now some people may have seen this already and not really known what it is. Well, this is a language I made specifically for changing the keymap or the keyboard layout, since it's not automatic because I made it from scratch instead of using VirtualBlox's text box, because we needed that. I needed to do that in order for the syntax highlighting to work. But anyway, so if you look, the text kind of goes over the mouse. If you look, we've got A shift plus A equals A. And now what this means is that both the A key and also if you press shift and the A key, that will equal an A. We've also got shift shift plus space equals backslash S. Now the reason I put backslash S is because you can't, the way this works is if there's a space in one of these statements here, then it thinks that it's a new statement. So you gotta make sure you don't put any spaces. But we got delete equals delete. The delete code, we got backspace equals the backspace. Now, so let me just give an example. So like, let's say that we want control plus K equals B. Well, they just type it just like that. So and then save it, and now whenever I press control plus K, it types a B. So that's how you change it. So if like we want something, like if we want the shift plus 1 to equal something else, then we just go down here and change it. So like if I want it to be another @ symbol, then I just do that, and then now whenever I press shift plus 1, it's an @ symbol. So let me go and show you the key codes. So Roblox has these things called enum key code. Well, they're an enum, an enumeration value. So I'm gonna show all the key codes. So you just do this is how you make keyboard combinations. So let me show all these. I'm also gonna put this in the description or in like a paste bin link, so that you guys can so that you guys know what the keyboard combinations are. Another thing that you can do is you can actually go and make a comment. So here's how this works. So whenever you type greater than, and then start typing stuff, it becomes a comment. This whole line is a comment. So until I go to the next line, this whole thing just means nothing. So there we go. Then now the next line is actually meaning something. So if you want to write comments, you can do that. So that's pretty much how this works. It's pretty simple, but there are some things that kind of are a little bit weird. Like for example, these, like whenever there's characters that counteract with the like the syntax of the language, like the pluses and the equals. Let me find an example here. equals, yeah, like right here. You just gotta keep in mind that it will work. Just make sure that you're actually typing them the correct way. Like, if I were to accidentally put another equals here, that would mess it up. So just make sure that you're like paying attention to the grammar. So like equals, comma, keypad equals meaning it equals if that makes any sense. But yeah. But anyway, that's probably gonna be a really short video that I've just made. I'll let you guys know. I'll start letting people in to alpha test in a few days. Again, it's just I've been so like exhausted lately from withdrawal symptoms that I just can't really focus on anything. So yeah, I'm sorry for that, but I will be back to doing all that soon. So don't worry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little showcase of the calibrate keymap button, and I'll see you guys in a bit.